To change DPI on the Samsung A07, you can easily do that by opening the settings. Now you have to go below into the About phone, then go into the software information. When you are here, go for the build number, quickly keep tapping on this one to enable the developer mode. Now when you do that, go back, open the developer options, and right now it's time to scroll down a little bit until we find the DPI settings. So it will be available just over here. Just keep scrolling, it will be under that network options and the Bluetooth, of course. So almost here. Now we got this animation scale, and here we can find that DPI settings. So if I'm gonna put, for example, the 700, take a look how it's gonna change. There we go. That's a huge difference. But when you go here and set, for example, 200, it will actually set this for the minimum one, so 320 DPI. And that's how we can actually make a change. Thanks for watching this video.